Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the latest offering from Fujifilm, the X100VI. This camera has caused quite a stir in the photography community, so let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's kick things off with the design and handling of the X100VI. Fujifilm has maintained that classic retro styling that we've come to love from the X100 series. With its brushed aluminum top and bottom plates, old-school exposure control dials, and faux leather body, this camera exudes elegance and sophistication. What's new with this iteration is the inclusion of in-body image stabilization, a first for the X100 series. This addition makes a noticeable difference in handheld shooting, allowing for sharper images even at slower shutter speeds. And despite the slight increase in weight, the X100VI still maintains its compact form factor, making it perfect for on-the-go photography. Moving on to features and performance, the X100VI is powered by Fujifilm's X-Processor 5 engine, making it the most powerful camera in the X100 series to date. Combined with Fujifilm's best-ever autofocus system, this camera excels in both photo and video recording. With tracking autofocus for various subjects including humans, animals, birds, and vehicles. Speaking of photo and video quality, the X100VI boasts a versatile 40 megapixels APS-C sensor, delivering sharp and detailed images across the entire frame. And with 6.2K video recording capabilities, along with Fujifilm's film simulation modes, you have all the tools you need to unleash your creativity. So, what's the verdict? With its blend of classic design, advanced features, and exceptional image quality, it's a true standout in its class. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy shooting!